What's up guys, TechBolt here. Let's get right into the video. So have you ever been on your phone and wondered if someone is monitoring your calls or your SMS? Well, this is how to check. Head into your phone app, dial *62# and send it. Immediately it displays, you can see not forwarded. Speaking on spying, this is how to turn off your microphone and your camera without anybody spying on you. So you head to settings, build number, you tap it I think 5 or 7 times, then you can see my own developer mode is already open. So I just head into developer options, then I look for quick setting developer tiles, sensors off, and as you can see my sensors are off and my camera can't work while the sensors are off. Nothing can work. It's 100% safe. And just to show you, I'll turn on the sensors off and head to my camera so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now I'm in my camera, you can see it's not displaying anything, even if it's on the table, and you can see the message: security policy prevents use of camera. Have you ever tried making voice memos while trying to read them from your Samsung Notes or any note? So this is how you do it. You head into the voice recorder, launch the app, then head to your notes and also launch it. Then you activate the screen that's called multitasking. I believe all Android phones can do this. So once you've done it, as you can see, you either place the memo up or down, whichever way it works. So you can see I can read this and also record at the same time. So this is just good. Have you ever wondered how a device looks like in reality, but your tight schedule won't let you go to a store and check it out? Well, Google has made that easy. What you have to do is head into your Google app, type the name of the device in 3D view, and this is pretty much it. You go into the home page, you search for view in 3D, and once you've tapped that, it loads the screen of how you can see the device in 3D. It doesn't take time. So this is how it is. I searched for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Z Flip 3. I also made a video on that, so you can check it out on previous videos using this. So this is how it looks like. Everything, you can see the size, the edges. So we talked about multitasking before, and another way you can do this is opening several apps. This literally works on 4, 5 or even 6 apps depending on how your RAM is. Well, this is a Samsung phone. I don't know about other Android phones, but my Samsung phone is able to do it pretty neatly. So you just open your pop-up screen, you select it, open pop-up screen, and you can launch 4 or 5 apps in it. So this is how it is. Pop-up view, just a mini screen, and look, once you launch another app, it becomes a mini view of it. So I just launched a few apps in it, so you can see. Have you ever been asleep and you get an annoying phone call from a friend or a relative who you really don't want to talk to, and it distracts your sleep? Well, I can show you a way to stop that. So you just turn on do not disturb, and this is it. Texts, calls, they won't ring out. You will only see the notification when you're awake or anything. And just for a bonus, if you want a free VPN that you can use and browse changing your location or stuff, this is a free VPN. Try to catch. It's completely free, but it also has a premium version, and this is how it works. So guys, we've made it to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, because I post educative contents like this. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, or
I will send you to Jesus.